Hi friends, click on subscribe button to support me and hit on bell icon so you can get all my latest notifications.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your Abhilash back, and as I told you yesterday, I've got this bike delivered. Today I'm getting it the 3mm tape, which is for the it's not a tape, sorry, it's a tank cover, the complete tank cover, as well as both the side panel. So they're gonna install it now, and I'm gonna leave the shop location and the contact details below. And you can come to JC Road, which is located in Bangalore, near Care Market. So you can come over here and you can get this done. And the people are here very friendly. You can get a good deal compared to other shops. Wherein as today was a non-working day, but still they helped us in getting this done. So I'm going to show you the complete process, how it will be done. I will show you the material which they want to use. And the second part is I'm getting the leg guard, or called as scratch guard also. And I'm getting one carrier over here, which will have a backrest. I'm going to show you the materials. And this is the 3mm sticker, guys. So which is a complete sticker. You don't need to use any blade or scratch on your tank. That's what the promise which I got. So it's a complete set they're gonna have. They're gonna install this now. I'm gonna show you the complete video, and I'm gonna show you next two video. I'll be showing you about the backrest plus carrier and the leg guard. So let's start the video and let's see how they're gonna install it, guys. So they have cleaned the complete tank, and this is the complete tank set. So this will not gonna harm your tank paint, because they're not using any heat gun or they're not using any blade to cut this. So we have seen my earlier video where I have installed the scratch guard for my bike, and it's time to install the engine guard and the leg guard. So if you are planning to install a leg guard, make sure you install engine guard also. So it will be easier, or if you have to remove the leg guard, then they have to install it. So I'm going to install both this. Full use So guys, we have installed this plate over here, and Yeah, so this was very fixed right. So they have to hammer it then inside, and now they're gonna tighten the bolt with bolt and nut. This has been done now. So the leg guard and the engine guard is done. So in the next video I'm gonna show you how to install the backrest. So this is almost done now. So this the bottom part is left out. So we're gonna put this and tighten this up. So this was the video of installing the engine guard and the leg guard. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, please do let me know in the comment section, and please do subscribe and click on bell icon if you're watching for the first time. And thank you so much for my previous subscribers for helping me reaching good number of subscribers carrier with backrest. So for this, we're gonna remove the previous carrier and we're gonna install this guy. And I'm gonna share the price list in the comment section, and I'm gonna share the shop location and address, so that you can contact them directly and get the spare parts or whatever the modification you'd like to do. The basic modifications I have done, and you can join. Like you can come over here and get it done. So guys, and if you're watching for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so you can get all my latest notifications. As well as if you're watching for the first time, please do subscribe and support me in uploading more and more videos. So let's begin the installation. So they have removed the right side screws. So you can see over here. These are the bolted nuts for the right side. Now they are removed for the left side, and then they wanna fix this. So this will not take more than 2 to 3 minutes of time. So it's just like removing and just putting a new one. So let's see. So guys, this has been installed now, so I'm gonna show you how it looks. So this is how it's gonna look. So back support mainly, and it's an additional carrier. So it's not for the heavy duty, but the gauge is good, and this will be from the complete frame. The load will be taken from. So this was a quick video how to install this. Installing this side grip, like when you like anyone like mom or any ladies when are sitting. So this is gonna help. You have to remove that this over here, and this will be fit in this position. So here I'm getting this installed now. So first we're gonna remove that, and then we're gonna install it. Tight idea? Check ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಪಕ್ಕ. Okay, so this has been installed now. So this is just an additional safety thing where I always carry my mom wherever, like she wants a grip to hold, so that is not nice. This is the shop where I have installed, and that is my bike over there. You can see I have installed carrier, and leg guard, engine guard, and the rubber, and the hand, like the thing which any woman can hold. So this thing I have added over here. This is the shop, and I will leave the location of the shop in the comment section. Please to come over here. You can just have a check. People are very friendly. You can check if you're okay, then you can buy it, because there is no force. They're not gonna force you. They'll give you the best price which is available in the market. So thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you feel it's useful, please do click on subscribe button and click on bell icon so you can get all notification and support me in uploading more videos, guys. Thank you so much for watching.